Hi kids, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I am going to teach you nature. Nature means the things it's not made by man. It happened like that only in the nature. So which are that? Sun. What is the first picture? Sun. When we get up in the morning, we can see in the sky the sun. It always brights. Is it no? It always yellow or reddish in color. Then moon. This is a one of the natural thing we can see in the night time in the sky. Is it no? Moon. It is the sky. When you're coming to the house, look up high. Look up. We can see the sky. When night time, we can see the sky. We can look at the stars, many stars. We cannot count that stars. It always brights. Then tree. Tree is also natural things. Many trees are there surrounding us. Even plants also. A river. So river means it always flows the water like a stream. That is the river. Rainbow. When after the rainy, the sun rays will come and that time occur the rainbow. Even this is also natural thing. Flower. So when we grow the plants, always it's bloom the flower. Some plants it's bloom the flower. When rain is the one of the natural thing. Forest. In the forest there are many trees, big trees, small bushes, plants, different trees we can see in the forest. So that is the natural thing. When mountains, hills, it's made by nature only. So that is called the mountains. See, today I am going to teach you A. The letter already I have teach this, but so today onwards you can learn the alphabet, how to write and even that words. No, I'm not teaching small letter. I'm just teaching only the capital letter. How to write in the 4 lines book. I'll explain it. Before that you can see E for apple. E for apple. A for arrow. A for axe. E for ant. Even you can repeat, children. A for alphabet. Apple. Apple is one of the fruit. What it is? Arrow. It is one of the thing. Even axe is one of the thing. It is to cut the trees. Even ant. It is one of the living thing. Small creature. Alphabet. We can learn from A to Z. No, that letters are called the alphabet. Let's see how to write the A. Even already I taught strokes how to write. Is it no, kids? So now you can easily to write the A. Look at here. How you can write the A. I'll teach now. So you know slant line. That is called the forward slant line. Which one? Forward slant line. How can write? From up to down. This is the forward slant line and this is the backward slant line. When we join sleeping line in between the two lines in the middle line. So we can make easily A. See, I have given dots. Please, dear parents, you can help them to write A to give like this dots. Easily they can draw. This is the forward slant line and this is the backward slant line. This is the sleeping line. So we are using 3 types of the lines to make the A. So now wait, easily we can write the A. So which is forward line, sorry, backward, slant line, sleeping line. Forward slant line, backward slant line, then sleeping line. So when writing, you can inform to your kids to say and write. What is this letter? A. What is this letter? A. So now they can write easily to touch the lines. Only this letter should touch 3 lines from red line, blue line, then blue line. So in middle line should write in the blue line. Capital A. What it is? Capital A. What it is, children? Capital A. Sorry. So you can learn very easily by like this. What it is? Capital A. Capital A. So I hope you can learn this letter how to write. Is it no, kids? So like same way you can practice this letter in your 4 lines book. Okay, bye kids.